Welcome back to Practically Home. Today we're helping my sweet friend Jeni refresh her living room. The rest of her home already has this dreamy coastal cottage vibe, but this space just wasn't giving her the same feeling until now. Then came this gorgeous arched hutch. The glass doors I feel like just gave it that breezy coastal feel, while the shape adds so much charm to this room.
This way? Okay. Yep. Cute. Cute. Very cute. Okay, rug.
Once the hutch was in, we rolled out the new rug. It's soft, it's neutral, but it still helps with anchoring the space without overpowering it.
Yeah. That color. The floors. Nice. And the size? Yes. Yummy. That looks good.
We wanted to add a swivel chair, and we thought this would be a perfect spot to have it placed right in front of the hutch. It's super comfy, and it's just perfect for conversations or just cozying up with a book.
Is it comfy?
It is.
And it's wide. Is it like deep enough? I guess you can
Yes.
always take these off so it's, yeah, I'm sure that's cool. Or like do two back or something.
I love that.
That's pretty. Okay, let's move it. I feel like we're pushing like earlier. Yes. Now we'll just maybe center it with the cut here. Yeah. Okay. We'll tweak when we get in this.
Well, we can add whatever.
Yeah.
We're gonna go all out.
I'm gonna make this. Is that good?
I'm loving it.
Okay, couch.
When it came to selecting a new sofa for the living room, we wanted to make sure it had a few key features that Jeni was looking for. She wanted something that was going to be modular, and she wanted it to be a goose down filled sofa. Something that was also going to be washable and kid friendly because she has 2 kids and we all know how dirty a sofa can get, but she also wanted it to be mold resistant. So we found the perfect sectional for her. This is actually from the brand called Softica, and you guys, we could not be more thrilled with how good this sofa turned out. We got it in the color light gray, and it was a perfect blend for her cozy coastal cottage vibe living room.
Want to sit like one? Yeah. Is it like this?
Should we bring it down this way? Or do you want
Yes. Yeah.
just a little bit?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Got it.
Nice, and it's deep.
Lay? Oh yeah.
Is that a good napping?
Mm-hmm.
Can you put your feet up? That's nice.
I know.
And it's plush, and as you break it in, it'll be
Yeah, it'll be so comfy.
so good.
To soften the sofa from Softica, we wanted to add in a few layered new accent pillow covers. We got these in a few different hues. We got a creamy white, we also got a caramel color, and then we also got a pattern. We wanted to bring in some of the olive greens that are in her rug, but we wanted to keep the palette very light and coastal. We actually didn't want to go the blue route. We actually wanted to kind of tie in more of the greens that were pulling in from her brand new rug. Okay, so now for my favorite part. I love styling. If I could do anything with a room makeover, styling is my jam. Like, I will do it every day, all day. So we wanted to fill this hutch with a mix of pottery. We wanted to add in some family framed photos and some vintage books to give it that relaxed, lived-in feel.
Cute.
Cute. You hate that plant, we can also change it.
I'm trying to decide. What do you think? Yeah, it definitely.
Instead of stacking the walls, this is
there?
And to tie it all together, we wanted to add some breezy window treatments. I feel like windows always need a good linen curtain or some Roman shades of some sort. So we wanted to soften the natural lighting. She has a lot of lighting coming in through her living room windows, and we're gonna keep that natural light, but we're gonna add that polished layer. So we're gonna layer it up with some linen pinch pleated curtains. And then we also added these cordless Roman shades as well. These were amazing. They're very easy to install. It maybe took me 25 minutes to install all 3 Roman shades, but it gives her living room that perfect cottage feel that's still light and airy, but it also gives her some privacy as well. We wanted to add a few more touches to her living room, so we went for a really beautiful walnut side table, and we found this stunning lamp that she actually had in her bedroom and she's never used once. It was unplugged with no light bulb. So I told her we're moving it to the living room because she's going to use this every night. But it's stunning and she already has great taste, so I felt like this lamp was just a perfect addition to her living room. And then she had this artwork that was laying in her kitchen, and we felt like it better be maximized if it made its own statement on this little wall by her outdoor slider. And we felt like this was the perfect touch for this wall to give it a little bit of life.
There we go.
Yeah.
Look.
I wanted to keep her coffee table minimal and clean, but with a little pop of color. So we added a terracotta pot, a few pottery pieces, and a candle. And we felt like it was a perfect addition to bring her room together. For her swivel chair, we threw in some more neutral pillows that she had on hand. Did different sizes and added a lumbar pillow as well. And we just felt like with the lamp and the colors, it was all very soft, warm and inviting, and it just turned out so perfect for Jeni. And I feel like it just feels like her, and she absolutely loves her brand new space. If you loved this room transformation, make sure to like and subscribe. We have so many fun projects coming up, and I don't want you guys to miss out. But let me know in the comments what your favorite part of this room was. And until next time, I'll see you later.